How do I call a function using a global key shortcut in Python? Easy if you have an operation system using X11. First, pip install keybind. Second, import keybinder class into your module. Third, create a function you want to be called with a shortcut. Fourth, use activate method to bind a shortcut to your function. If your application doesn't provide a main loop, then you may want to use runThread param to create a thread that will listen for key presses. Done. Run your app. Press your keys. That's how you call a function using a global key shortcut in Python.